Top of the hour, we talk about the ongoing elections, especially what is going to happen in the state of Odisha. Prime Minister Modi already there taking up the issue for the BJP while addressing a rally in Odisha's Angul, and has now raised the issue of missing keys to the Ratna Bhatnar, which means the treasury of the Jagannath Mandir. Now, Prime Minister claimed the missing keys have gone to Tamil Nadu and asked the crowd if it would forgive the person responsible for the act, making a veiled attack on Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik's potential successor and trusted aide, V.K. Pandian, who hails from Tamil Nadu.
बीजेडी सरकार में जगन्नाथ जी का मंदिर भी सुरक्षित नहीं बचा है। पिछले 6 साल से श्री रत्न भंडार की चाबी का अता पता नहीं है। इसके पीछे का बहुत बड़ा राज बीजेडी सरकार और मुख्यमंत्री को घेरा डाल करके जो लोगों ने कब्जा किया हुआ है ना, वो सीधे सीधे जिम्मेवार है।
Well, we have Pragya joining us live. Pragya, good morning. What is this issue, the mystery of missing keys that the Prime Minister seems to be raising in his political rally in Odisha?
Well, this is the key to the treasury trove of Lord Jagannath. All the gold, all the silver, everything that is donated to Lord Jagannath is being kept in this treasury trove. And for years now, there had been no key for that. The key went missing. And this is when Supreme Court also intervened. And the state government, obviously, Mr. Patnaik was the state chief minister. He ordered a judicial, obviously a committee of inquiry. But later on, collector, who is the protector and who should be having the key, found an envelope where it said that this is, this is a duplicate key. This is exactly the issue that has been rigged up by the Prime Minister, and said that we will restore the respect that is due to Lord Jagannath, because we will find the original key and we'll do the audit of the jewelry that has been given to Lord Jagannath by those who believe and by those who have faith in Lord Jagannath. And this, this has spiral bound this controversy into Tamil Nadu as well. M.K. Stalin has jumped in because Prime Minister made a veiled attack on V.K. Pandian, who had been an heir apparent. It seems like that he's an heir apparent of Mr. Naveen Patnaik in BJD. He had been secretary to Mr. Patnaik, for many years, almost 12 years now. So there was a veiled attack on Mr. V.K. Pandian, and when he said that we will retrieve the key, and the key seems to have gone missing and may have been gone to Tamil Nadu, this is exactly what Prime Minister has been saying. Now, the controversy of sorts have begun after M.K. Stalin also jumped into controversy, saying that Prime Minister is trying to divide. But BJP is now saying that there is a political dimension in every state, and no one would want for a person who is from other state to take over as the state chief minister. And this is the question that was raised by none other than Mr. Annamalai, who is BJP Tamil Nadu state chief, saying will M.K. Stalin allow someone else from the other party and other state to come and be ears, eyes of the chief minister of Tamil Nadu and be the contender for the post of chief minister of Tamil Nadu. This is exactly what a rebuttal from the BJP is now seems like, saying that we did not want to demean Tamilians. But this is a very pointed attack on Mr. V.K. Pandian right now, because everyone is blaming Mr. V.K. Pandian for this loss of the key, and it seems like Prime Minister is also hinting at that, along with Home Minister Amit Shah, and saying that a person who is close to Chief Minister, there is no direct attack on Chief Minister as such made by Prime Minister by Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah, because they all know, BJP also knows, that Naveen Patnaik also has this popularity in the state of Odisha as Chief Minister. So they're targeting Mr. V.K. Pandian, who had been secretary, and everyone knows that if the way to Mr. Patnaik goes through Mr. Pandian is what BJP is blaming right now, and it is he who the Prime Minister and Mr. Home Minister is attacking right now in the state of Odisha.
The Union Home Minister, please to stay on with us, Pragya, because now we talk about him, because throwing his weight behind firmly the Prime Minister, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has also taken a jab at the Odisha Chief Minister, asking on the whereabouts of the keys to the sacred treasure trove of Lord Jagannath. As far as the entire politics that is now concerned, the questions that are now being raised over the missing keys.
नवीन बाबू को सीधा पूछना चाहता हूं, नवीन बाबू, आपके बाबू का मुझे जवाब नहीं चाहिए, जवाब ओडिया में दीजिए। रत्न भंडार की चाबियां कहां गुम हो गई? नवीन बाबू, आप मुझे जवाब दीजिए, डुप्लीकेट चाबी बनाई है या नहीं बनाई है? नवीन बाबू, आप जवाब दीजिए। डुप्लीकेट चाबी से ये भंडार खोला गया या नहीं खोला गया? अरे नवीन बाबू, जवाब दीजिए। आपने रत्न भंडार की जांच आयोग का रिपोर्ट क्यों छुपा कर रखा है?